So, hello everyone. Thanks for joining me. If you haven't done so already, hit the like and the subscribe button to show a little John love. So, what's getting ready to happen now? Of course, you see, I'm in my PJs, and tonight I'm going to do the COVID-19 home test. So, since I'm getting the pressure from the family, can you read that? Yep, it's right. I'm doing the home test. So my daughter has tested everyone in the house, and I guess I'm the one holdout. So here we go. First of all, glove up. Then we open up the box. Let's see what's in this box first. You know me. I like to see what's in the box. Okay, let's see.
You can't be touching this.
Okay, she said I can't touch it. So we're gonna let her pull it out of the box because y'all know I like to see what's in the box. All right, let's see. It say one, whatever this is.
One tray.
It's
a show when you get done.
NOW COVID test card. So we're gonna show that. A nasal swab. And a reagent bottle. Reagent bottle. Okay, one reagent bottle. All right, so she's gonna show us what that looks like. Okay. So let's see what. Y'all know me, see how I'm doing this, right? Because I'm looking all down here at me instead of looking at you guys. All right, so here we go. And you can't touch this stuff. She said, I can't touch this stuff. So here's one swab. Here's one swab. It's wrapped so it can be sterile.
Reagent bottle.
A reagent bottle. And what is that for?
To get the results of this test, make it go right.
Okay, and that is to get the results. So like the old Polaroid thing, where you had to write the thing. Oh, okay. So after it's all done, she's gonna have to write. We're gonna show you what that is. But it has to be
and one card.
And one card. Could you show us the card on the camera up there, please, if you don't mind? A little bit closer. There it is. Nice. Okay, one card. And that card opens up. Yes. And then you're going to slide the swab up on that side. There's a place to
reagent drop.
There's a place to put the, this is a nasal swab.
I shouldn't be in your face, Mom.
That's okay, because I'm looking in the wrong place. So there's a place to put the nasal mucus that you swab out of your nose, and then there's two spots, right? There's two spots on there, so she'll have to roll it around in one nasal and put it on there, and then roll it around in the other nasal and put it on there. Sounds like to me one is contaminating the other one, since of course they said you got two different nasal passages, and of course that's right. But last year,
you can't get a left nose
between those two presidents, they thought you could. So that's how they reported.
Get rid of everything.
Okay, so she set it down there on the table.
It's on the sterile thingy.
Okay. Yes, she's got it on top of something down here. Okay, yeah. You got to put that on there first. Okay, so she drops. How many drops on one? 6 drops on each of the little
top hole.
Huh?
6 drops on the top hole.
Okay, so 2 holes, one above the other. 6 drops on the top hole. Okay, so there's 2 holes, and the top one is a little smaller than the bottom one, and they're right over top of each other. So okay, and this is going to have to be timed. Am I correct?
Yes, 15 seconds.
Okay, so
can we get a timer?
So let's get the timer, because I know I saw her timing other people's stuff. You know what I'm talking about. It's 11:11 at night. Here we go. Because I don't care for people sticking stuff up my nose. You know, when I have a problem, I prefer.
You put it yourself, but you do it yourself.
I put it with my glove.
And do it yourself. You want to do it?
Yeah.
Okay. You want to pause the video and then come back and you do part 2.
Okay, so give me just a second. I'm gonna get a pair of gloves. So now here we come. I have my gloves on, and now
you're gonna take this. You're gonna insert the cotton tip part in your nose till it's not hanging out. You need the cotton swab in your nose.
So I need this swab piece all the way
Not
up.
all the way up, just in your
So you
nose,
don't
in your
see it.
nostril patch. You need it to go all the way around your nose.
Keep circling it. Okay, so I gotta
At
put
least
this up
5
there
times.
and
Timer.
circle it around. I can't touch.
Give me the time.
I can't touch it now. You don't make
Okay.
it.
Uh-oh. How you, I don't remember.
That way and back. One time, just one time. 4. Mhm.
Okay, 15 seconds. Okay, you ready?
And okay, so I'm gonna put it up here and just
And
go around.
You can swirl while you swirl.
I can do.
You can.
Oh, I can. All right, so I gotta.
Don't talk over it. You just wanna.
All right, so I gotta turn it around like this and twirl it too.
I just want to make sure you get it all.
This why they don't let you do them yourself. All right, you ready?
Mhm. Don't go too far. All right, next nostril.
I don't put it down.
Next nostril. Ready? Go.
Mhm.
All right, now I'll get it and reagent it.
Okay, so now she's
It
not
goes-
showing us. She's not showing. I need you to
Yeah.
show it right there.
Has to be on the flat surface. You put it in. 1,
So she has to put it in the bottom hole,
3.
twirl it around 3 times, pull this little strip tab. There's a strip tab right here. She won't let us see. Okay.
Oh, pull the strip.
There's a
tab.
strip tab here on the side that you pull off and it,
And you have to leave it. Don't touch it. 15 minutes. Set your timer.
there's
Hey, reset.
15 minutes.
Mhm.
I'm gonna tell you what happened. As I was trying to twirl it around, the gloves were so big that they kept getting caught in the little thing. So when you do it, you must have some gloves that fit. Excuse me, because this is horrible. Feels like something stuck up my nose. And it may not be, but
What?
it feels like something is stuck up my nose. So now we'll wait for 15 minutes to get those results. It has to lay on a flat surface. And I will try and see if I can get a photo of this so it will show you what it looks like while it's waiting. There. Ugh. Want to gag. Oh, it feels like I gotta puke.
These are perfect. If you get any one of these, it ain't gonna work.
So I don't like stuff up my nose. So we will see what this looks like. I will be back in about 13 minutes and 13. All right, so here we go. That's my timer, you guys. My 15 minutes is up. And I can now go on and check my test results. So let's hold this up. This is what it looks like, a popsicle. Can you see that right there? So hopefully this comes in focus. So the thing on the right, well, this one, let's flip the light on. See if that helps the, this camera's like funky, wild, crazy. It does its own thing. So now that weird stuff that's going on is because of the green screen, and I'm not that close to it. But we have, this one here says it's negative if it's one line. And the one over on this side says if it's 2 lines, it's positive. And I was told, even if it's a faint 2 lines, any type of 2 lines at all, it's positive. So it can show a strong line like that, or it can show faint lines. Either way, there it is. That's the control up top. It says control sample, but that's it right there. And this is by Abbott Labs. And there it is. So the sealed thing was here that had to be peeled off. And once you peel that little strip off, you clip that, squeeze it together. It has to lay on a level surface like this in order to, undisturbed, rather, a level surface undisturbed for the 15 minutes for it to render accurate results. And I guess that's about as accurate as we're going to get with a home test in 15 minutes. So there you have it. This little card was in this packet here. And you want to keep everything as sterile as possible. So what happened was she ripped the package open and sat this on top of here. So even though it was on a level surface, it was sitting on top of here. She said the drops had to go, 6 drops had to go in that top piece. This little piece was on there. This has the liquid in here. And this just popped off and exposed the nozzle. And it has the liquid in here that you squeeze this portion right here in order to get the drops on here. And since this is has done its job, I'm going to go ahead and open it up so we can really get a good look at it. Because you can't touch it. I couldn't touch it. Otherwise, it would risk contaminating it. So let's get that open because I'm nosy. Yeah. So I guess that's the part that it's on. Yeah. So the strip is here. When you open it, you see this part, top part. That top hole right there, that's where you put the 6 drops at. Just hold it over and put the 6 drops in it. And then you insert the swab from the bottom up into the top piece without trying to, you're not trying to take it up through the hole. You're just putting it up in there where the drops were placed. So the tip is up there. It was inserted up there, and then she twirled it around 3 times and then closed the peeled the strip off here and close the flap and leave it sitting flat. Set the timer for 15 minutes and then you're good. Back. So for 15 seconds, you swab one nostril 3 times. You need to go around 3 times in the one nostril while you're twirling the swab. And then you put it, insert it in the next nostril, and you circle the nostril 3 times while twirling it for another 15 seconds. Then you insert it in the bottom, in that bottom hole, all the way up as far as it'll go, and twirl it 3 times. So that way, everything that you place on that swab will also be twirled around on that surface. Peel that little section off, close it, wait your 15 minutes, and read the results. It's almost like a pregnancy test. 1 line you're negative, 2 lines you're positive. All right, so hope that helps you. It was pretty easy, other than the fact that it just has a ghost feeling of something in my nose. It wasn't so bad at all. So thanks for joining me. Until next time.